If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. When you first open Word, a startup screen appears which lets you create a new document. Simply click the type of document to create in the listing of available templates that appears at the right side of the startup screen. Alternatively, click the New button at the left side of the startup screen if shown, or click the More Templates link below the template listing to show the New section of the Backstage view. If you already opened a Word document, you can view a similar screen by clicking the File tab in the ribbon and then selecting the New command at the left side of the Backstage view. To create a new document from a template in Word, click the desired template choice in the listing that appears to the right in the Backstage view. If you choose a template, a pop-up box appears to show a short description of the template. Click the Create button to download the template and create a new document based on the selected template. Alternatively, to immediately create a new blank document, simply click the Blank Document template choice. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.